Hey everyone, welcome back. So as you guys saw in the intro of this video, and as you guys can probably tell, the Mets are out of the postseason. So it's time to, cheer for my next favorite team, Patriots. Let's go Pat Nation. Also in my last video, I did say that I sold this Princess Peach, but unfortunately the buyer never paid. Hopefully eBay does something in the future to work on that. It's pretty annoying when you accept an offer for something cheaper and then the buyer never ends up paying. As always, I went to the bins for maybe about 30-40 minutes. I got there when it opened, and it's actually pretty peaceful when it opens, but then it gets pretty crazy, maybe 5-10 minutes afterwards. Here are some of the quick pickups that I found. I haven't heard of this brand before, Alfred Dunner, and the sell-through rate on this isn't great. But I thought this print was pretty nice. Obviously, it's a women's jacket, but I thought this design might be fashionable for retro birthdays or people like dressing back like it's the 90s. I also found this Ariat vest. I know that their boots generally do pretty well. Tommy Bahama Sunday Cruiser. It's I want to say this is like either linen or can't remember the exact material, but I think comps on this is about 25 bucks. Here's a pair of North Face pants. Comps on this aren't great, but I think it's maybe a $15 pair of pants. I know that the Untuck It brand shirts generally do pretty well, but this is a Van Heusen Untuck It. This probably weighs less than half a pound, so I think this was like relatively like $1 at the bins. Probably maybe get 15 bucks for this as well. And it's not a Goodwill trip to the bins if I don't find LL Bean. There's a pair of women's hiking pants. Granted, we're getting into the winter months, but I think this should sell probably in Q1 next year, or maybe this quarter. You never know what people are shopping for on eBay. Also got this Nike Golf dry fit in extra large. I'm also looking probably at 15-20 bucks on this. And the last thing that I found is this New York Islanders, sorry I have that backwards, this promotional scarf that they gave out in 2019. It has a Star Wars theme and it has BB-8. I believe that's his name, BB-8 on here. But yeah, all in all, I spent $11.45. I think I could probably get that back as soon as I sell one of these items. So everything else should be pure profit. Looking at probably, nothing great, nothing crazy. Maybe like 75 bucks in profit after everything. So, 6-7 times my return. But yeah, till the next one. Peace.
I've been throw up the shipping the RIFTING, and I can put you in first class up in the sky.